Ah, new palette smell. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am here today to talk about BH Cosmeticals. They have a new palette. This palette is the Nice palette out of their holiday collection. So before I get all the way into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there. And why not give me a thumbs up while you're there as well. So if you guys want this nice, beautiful holiday, just getting ready for the holidays look, stay tuned. Y'all, I'm back again to have a mini little girl chat. So today I just wanted to talk about pretty much, I guess, social media, about updating, because if you guys don't know, I did start updating my Instagram as of today. Go check out my Instagram, which is at mask, like a mask, MASKED_MUA. I started updating and I forgot some stuff from Instagram. I was like, girl, I was like a little rusty. I was like, oh, I've been away for too long. And it feels good to have that upgraded, and because it took me a minute to get my YouTube channel back. I was going through a lot of different things. So I'm in a better place now, so that's why I can update and do more things. I think social media, when you use it the right way, it's for good versus bad. I don't think there's nothing wrong with messing with social media as long as it's in a more healthy way, especially when it comes to your social media. It does feel good to have things up to date, and you know, just it's kind of like you leveling yourself back out. But I think social media is good when you use it to your advantage. It's better, it's fun. I mean, it keeps you entertained, I'll tell you that. Comment below if you guys like social media, or if you're just like, I don't really care for it, or I hate it. So comment below and tell me which one, because I'm curious. Especially like Trend Mood, like that's my favorite Instagram. It's my favorite and it's the worst, because literally I'm like, okay, I just bought something. And then it's like, okay, here's 5 different other palettes. And I'm like, ha, there's my money. That's why I don't like social media. It's always showing me new stuff and I'm just like, especially right now during the holidays. That was just my mini little girl chat over social media. So yeah. Back to the tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and even the mini girl chat. I am gonna dig right into this palette. This palette is a 16 pan color eyeshadow palette. And this retailed for 12 bucks at Ulta. It is not on their BH Cosmetic website just yet. I think in November it will be. But get on Ulta, get your discount, get fast shipping. I don't know if it's in stores yet, but if it is, snag it up, store pickup, you know what I mean? So with this palette, it's really cute. I like the front of it. Pretty much this palette is like a ugly sweater kind of white and red gold situation. I do like it. The top and the check mark and the hearts are gold, shiny gold, and then it has nice, and then it has a little 16 color palette, and the rest is red and white. And on the back it says Ho Ho Holidays, nice 16 color eyeshadow palette. And it describes it as good girls do it better with our nice 16 color shadow palette. A sweet mix of pigment rich neutrals and a pop of fresh berry. And a smooth matte plus glistening shimmer finishes. So I think that's a really good description of it, especially with the berries. They're right about that. It has a lot of berry colors. It does come with a mirror with a nice print all around it, but look at all these colors. Yeah. Yes, see all the berries, they're right about that. And the bottom's just real cool and neutral. It's awesome. So I'm gonna dig right into my favorite shades. My favorite shades are going to be Angel, Snowball, and Jolly. So Jolly is that beautiful matte red with gold shimmer in it that I love. And then we have Angel, which is this silver, and then Snowball. Snowball is that duochrome white to purple shift I love so much. So those are my favorite shades. But one thing I'm gonna talk about is the shade Angel. This, I'm just gonna swatch it so I can show y'all. So this is Angel. Beautiful, beautiful, right? Well, the only thing is with Angel is that one with your finger looks nice and smooth. And it's staying put on my lid. That's where all the shiny silver is at. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful platinum silver. Very, very bright. But it has a lot of fallout, y'all. It has a lot of fallout. The color is beautiful. Don't get me wrong. It is gorgeous. Gorgeous. But I just wish it didn't have all that fallout. This is most definitely worth the 12 bucks. I admit that. Because it's such a cute little palette. You can make all kinds of little holiday looks with it. It does have a lot of berry. A lot of berry, like it says. Has a good matte black in there called Winter. That one, you know, all this pigmentation. Like I told you, I never have a problem with BH Cosmeticals. They always got a down pack. I ain't got to worry about pigmentation. I just got to see, do I like the look, you know, that they're serving me. I wish it did smell like gingerbread man cookies or like something wintry. Like, I wish it smelled like that, like cookies or something warm, gourmet kind of caramel smell, something. Get me in the vibe, get me in the mood for the holidays, because this came out quite early and I was like, wait, we ain't even at Halloween yet. I do like this palette. I think it will definitely get you in the mood for the holidays and getting cute little holiday looks. And 12 bucks, you can't beat that. And it's pigmented as hell. Come on. That's my little review, guys, over the nice palette. I didn't have a lot to talk about. It was just good. Leave a comment below which one's your favorite color. Do you like this palette? Is there other holiday stuff you're looking for? Leave a comment below so we can chat it up in the comment section. And do not forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. And you guys know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.